Good evening, all my YouTube friends and family. I'm going to show you a portion of my Micro Air Easy Start for my outside condenser unit. So, I've seen a lot of videos on these, watched a lot, tried to learn a little bit of something. But here's something that I've never seen in any of the videos, and I'm going to share it with you. So here is my outside condenser unit. It is an American Standard Gold Series 2-ton, and a picture is worth 1,000 words, especially for us dummies. So all the videos that I've seen, I've never seen this thing right here or this thing right here. These two things is a hard start kit. So this American Standard come with that hard start kit in it. I do recall in one of the videos that I've seen, it said if you have a hard start kit, you need to remove it in order for this Micro Air Easy Start to work. So I didn't know what that was. I hooked this thing up and it didn't work. So I asked Uncle Google, what's a hard start kit for an AC unit look like? And bada boom, bada bing. That's what I'd seen. So I went through and disconnected all these wires from this hard start kit and tried again, and it worked. So just a short video I wanted to share with everybody who is installing these Easy Start kits. If you don't know what a hard start kit is, that right there is what a hard start kit is, and this system will not work with those installed, so you got to take them out. So that's what I learned today. I wanted to share it. I hope it helps some other dumb grunt out there. Alright, so we're going to do the last cycle and turn this thing on. There she goes. And there goes the compressor. And according to the indicator lights, we are normal and we do not have any faults. So there you go. Installed. Now I'm going to clean this mess up. Don't forget, take out that hard start kit. And there we go, completed install. Just in time, it's getting ready to rain. But last thing I wanted to share with you was the cheapest place that I found this. RVupgrades.com. Cheaper than Amazon. Gotta love it. Till we meet again, my friends, always remember to smile, because God loves you.